With fixed braces, sometimes your teeth are going to feel a little bit tender or sore during the first few days, and that's completely natural. What we advise you to do is to take some painkillers, whatever you normally take for a headache. So that could be either paracetamol or Nurofen, and that will make things feel much better during the first few weeks as you get used to your braces. Another thing you can do, if the brace sort of rubs on the inside of your mouth, such as your lips or your cheeks, is to use some of the orthodontic wax that we give you. And you can place this onto your brace, and this will make things feel nice and smooth and be less irritating. All you do is you get a little bit of the wax, break about a pea-sized amount off, and just get it nice and soft between your fingers and your thumb. And then the thing to do is just to squash it onto the heart of the brace where it is actually rubbing. So if you just pop it over the brace, just mould it over, and what that will do is just make your brace feel nice and smooth, and it'll just make things much more comfortable. Another option would be just to get some teething gel. And with teething gel, you can place that onto your tongue or the cheek, whatever's feeling a little bit sore, and that will greatly improve things for you. Now that we're starting with your orthodontic treatment, it's important that you look after your brace by avoiding really hard, chewy, crunchy foods. And by this I mean things like toffees, chewing gum, French sticks, because anything that's hard and chewy is likely to break your brace. So as a general rule, we say to keep to a softish diet, especially during the first few days when your teeth are feeling a bit tender. To keep things like soups, pasta, noodles, mashed potato, and by doing this you'll make sure that you'll look after your brace. An important aspect of any orthodontic treatment is keeping your teeth and your braces clean. If you allow plaque to build upon your brace, you can end up with some white marks on your teeth called decalcification, which unfortunately you can't brush away at the end. So we advise you to brush your teeth at least 3 times a day. We say a good 5 minutes after breakfast, 5 minutes after lunch or when you get home from school, and last thing at night. And at last thing at night, we always recommend people to use a fluoride mouthwash, because the fluoride will help to strengthen and protect your teeth while you've got your braces in place. And finally, a broken brace will not straighten your teeth. If this happens, it may prolong your treatment as well. So if you have any problems with your fixed appliances, contact the practice as soon as possible.